Hey Harriet.
Hello. Good, how are you?
Yeah, we haven't seen you on a video for a while. Where have you been?
Working very hard whilst Martin has been travelling for the last 2 months.
2 months. Bloody hell, right. Okay, so what you got for us today then?
So got here today, guys, one of our new products that I'm very, very excited about. The front lower trim panel for the new 2023 Ford Ranger. So it's UK made, exclusively for us, made literally 30 minutes down the road. The amount of phone calls I get from people asking, have we got anything for this front piece? So cheaper than painting, easier than getting wrapped, and easy to install as well, which Mark Muschamp is going to talk me through.
Have you installed one before?
Absolutely not. I've been thrown in at the deep end.
And I can tell you it is really easy. We're going to go through that together. So basically, it covers up the silver piece, yeah? Is that right?
Exactly that.
Yeah. So
Non-drill.
on-drill, all pre-drills.
Yep.
So it just bolts on, really simple. So what tools do I need, Az?
All you need is an 8mm socket.
Correct. Well done. Nice. Okay, so let's just have a closer look at the product then. So, how's it made? Do you know?
I don't.
Vacuum formed.
Vacuum formed.
Yeah. And it's gloss black finish. So it comes with a film on it. So you can see here that to protect the surface, there's a nice clear film on there. So, what do we do with that, Az?
Peel it off after fitment or before?
I would peel it off before.
Before.
Yeah. So probably best to take it off. I think if you do it afterwards, it might be quite difficult. So what you need to do is probably do a dry fit.
Yeah.
So just offer it up.
Just to make sure you're happy with it.
When we pulled out the bumper pieces, we'll just offer it up, make sure everything's right. Then when we're happy with everything, we can take the film off and then get it fitted. So what do we do first? If you just rest that down, then what we're going to do is we're going to take these, to make it easier, these front grey trims, if you just put those out there, so that trim there, we're just going to pull that out, and
He says.
just a little bit. It's only held in with clips, and if we just pull that out, and then that'll make it easier to fit the trim there. So grab it at the bottom, and just make sure that you just grab the grey trim. Can you feel there's another piece behind there?
Yeah.
And then a good pull. Pull it outwards, not downwards. So forwards. Go on, you can do it.
Oh!
That's it. That's perfect. That's all you need to do. It doesn't need to come out any further than that. So just to show you there, we've just pulled that away from the bumper. It's just held in with some clips.
You can see it from this way quite well.
Okay, and Haz is going to do the other side there. So just grab it at the bottom, pull it outwards and not downwards.
That side was easier.
Yeah. No,
Practice makes perfect.
I like it to come all the way out.
Oh!
Going straight forward. That's it. That's better.
God, it sounds horrible.
Okay, so all that does is just gives us a little bit more room to fit this on. So now we can do our dry fit before we take the film off. So if you just offer it up, I'll make sure everything's
Are you ready for the big reveal?
Oh,
Beautiful.
truck. Yeah, that looks good, doesn't it?
Looks awesome.
Okay. So what we're going to do is put that to one side. Well, first of all, just have a look at the holes in the bottom. So you can see there should be 6 holes along the bottom there. So there's one on the outside there. And then you can see the 6 holes there. And we're going to use the bolts that are already in the vehicle to bolt that in. And that's all there is to the fitting. So as this is where you're going to have to lie down, just underneath it. And we're going to take out the 6 corresponding bolts. And these bolts are the ones that hold on the just that rubber bumper trim underneath, which will be replaced. So you'll see.
Lefty loosey.
That's it. We'll take that all the way out. Just pull that down. Okay, and then those in the middle.
2. 3. 4. Last but not least, 6.
Okay, so you've taken those out. You need to hang on to those. We're going to use those again. Okay, and now we can basically take our film off, and then we're going to offer it up and then bolt it on through the same holes. Once you've got that film off, you'll be able to see beautiful gloss black finish. Yeah, nice. So it's a kind of piano black finish, isn't it? Would you describe it like that?
Yeah. That's it. Oh, it looks so new. Oh, I'm not very good at this, am I? Just...
Obviously, we're fitting this to a nice blue wild track.
Lightning blue.
Wild track that comes with the silver piece and the platinum as well. Platinum? No, I think it only fits the wild track this. You'll be able to see on the website anyway.
So yeah, if you want to change all the front of your vehicle to be in gloss, we do the gloss headlight surrounds, we do front spoiler bars that are gloss. We also do the DRLs as well that are gloss.
What's
So
DRL?
daylight running lamp. Light.
Daytime running light.
Light.
And where does that go? Yeah, so we've got these really nice gloss black surrounds that replace that matte black surround that's already on there on the wild track, and included in it is some dynamic indicators and some daytime running lights, and they're a really nice product, those, and they'll complement this really well.
We have just fitted one of these to the front of another Ranger that's had all the gloss front bits done as well, which I think, Mark, you're going to upload some pictures at the end,
I'll definitely be
showing
uploading
it,
some pictures,
showing it all off it finished.
Onto our website, nextgenranger.co.uk. So we're going to pop that onto there.
Lovely.
So far we've done this in one take, Alice. You reckon we can go the whole way?
Yeah, I think so.
Excellent.
As long as I don't drop it and swear.
So what I would do is start with the 4 bolts in the middle.
In the middle.
The outer 2 are slightly more fiddly.
Okay.
So just start with those. Just line them up with the speed clip where they were before. And just do them finger tight, I would, until they're all in place.
That's one in there.
Does look really good.
We have to just lie down. See,
Yeah,
oh.
it might be easier just to get underneath and line them up.
Ah, that's better.
You need to put your hand on the plastic trim as well, just to line everything up. Once that other one's dropped out.
Has it?
Yeah, so the speed clip that you're fitting it into is actually on the plastic bumper trim rather than the bumper itself. So you're kind of going through 3 pieces of plastic to get this fitted. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah, I do.
Put your finger on top, you'll be able to see it.
Ah, there you go.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Nice.
she says. Got it.
How's it feel being your first video for a while?
I know! Nerve-wracking, and I'm getting dripped on because the English weather.
It has been chucking it down. I'm sure a legion of fans will be very happy to see you
Back on the camera.
Definitely.
Back on the camera.
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, I've got the face that should stay behind the camera, not in front of it. That's definitely your job.
That's your comment, not mine. That one's just fallen out.
Okay, so get your ratchet, get
Yeah.
it started, and maybe just nip them up a little bit. Now, all of these need to only be nipped up. They don't need to be over tight. It is only plastic.
I don't even know if it's gone in.
You should be able to feel it on top from the speed clip. If you put your hand around the back of it, you'll be able to feel when it gets started. Is that working?
Yes.
Yeah. So you do the same.
Nice. Don't get my double chin in it. I'm lying down. The worst angle ever.
I'm saying nothing at this point. Keeping
That one went in nicely. Are you allowed to say that?
I don't think so. Am I allowed to say that?
I think you might need to edit that out.
Get a bit more, right? Well, that's weak the word. Oh. Okay. Done those?
Yes.
Okay, so now the outer one was, the material's a bit thicker there, so
Bit more fiddly.
a little bit more fiddly, but still very, very simple. Get them lined up, get your finger on top to see, feel the bolt, and through a bit of down pressure on it.
Oh.
You see what difference it made to the vehicle. I don't really understand why that panel's silver. It doesn't match anything else on the vehicle, so this really does make quite a difference. You can do this with a hand ratchet as well. It doesn't have to be battery operated. That is? Yeah?
No,
Yeah?
I don't think so.
Just check it's going into the speed clip. Don't be scared. When I say nip them up, you don't have to be really timid.
There you go, that one's gone in. Yep.
One more, and then that's the job done. So if you imagine this job being done without all utility, it really is. It's a 5-minute job, which is great because it's a 5-minute job. Completely changes the front end. And there's handling parts. There's nothing to go wrong. It's so simple. Yeah, that's it. Job done.
Got to clip these bolts back in.
Sorry, we've got to clip these in. Now this is where you're just going to check that these clips are lined up okay. So just push it in gently to start with.
But-
Make sure all the clips on both sides, inside and out, are lined up.
Where does that go into? Behind?
Does
Does that go
No, so that's got to go
behind?
behind there. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so just and that one, just push that clip into place.
Yeah.
And then give it a good push. Good tap with the heel of your hand.
Oh,
Your bolts dropped out. That one wasn't in properly. It's an epic fail. The outer ones are definitely fiddly.
yeah.
Fiddlier.
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 Yeah, wait, okay, right, the, like,
Oh, gosh.
Going.
still okay, the one, they signed it, color it, do that, no,
Well,
Line those clips up.
happy? Quality control.
Looks good. So that really is a simple fit. And what a difference it makes to the truck. Let's just try and get a shot here from down below. So where we had that silver before, we've now got a nice gloss black finish. Completely transforms it.
So the part number for this on the website, guys, is 3738. I wrote it on my hand, so you can simply just put that into the search box to bring it up. It is the front lower trim piece, bumper trim piece.
Lower
Bumper trim piece. It's not on the website yet, so I haven't seen it.
It will be. And which website's that as?
nextgenranger.co.uk, or if you want to give us a call to order it, give us a call on 01789 339 339, or email, WhatsApp, whatever is easiest for you. Carrier pigeon. Don't I have to say something about subscribing as well?
Yeah. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
On the link below.
Yeah. And click the notification bell because we've got a load more
Products coming in.
So, yeah, that's good. That looks really great. And you can still access the towing eyes. No problem at all. Hopefully you can see those under there. Really simple fit for a great finish. Thanks, House. That was easy, wasn't it? Nice.
Thanks, guys.